Cleanup is underway after severe storms, including tornadoes, ripped through several communities in southern Wisconsin. These are images from Bristow and Williams Bay near Lake Geneva. Heavy rain and strong winds damaged homes, downed trees and power lines. Roads in the area were shut down so crews could remove storm debris. Residents described taking shelter as sirens began blaring.
Saw some flying debris, ran into the basement, got really loud for a few minutes, came upstairs, our entire swing set's gone, a lot of the house's roofs were gone, damage to the trees and everything else. Our furniture was all gone off our deck, so a lot of damage everywhere.
In Janesville, Wisconsin, officials posted on their Facebook page that a tornado touchdown damaged several homes and cut off power. The Salvation Army is setting up shelters to help displaced people.